to create an online language learning and courses website for free using Squarespace.com platform. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started. So just click on get started button to get started, obviously, and here you will see a lot of templates that you can adjust. You can just choose one of the templates that are pre-made templates, and you can adjust the template to your needs. So here we wait for the templates to be loaded, and we will be able to choose from these templates. So here we can filter these templates by the type, from online stores to services, and by topic, from art and design to fitness and real estate and properties. So let's see if we can find our niche, which is courses and the educational niche. So let's see what we can find in these templates. They have also the blank template that you can choose if you want to build your website from scratch, but for me, I'm going to choose one of these templates because I'm a little bit lazy person and I love saving my time and I love shortcuts. So I'm just going to choose a pre-made template and change it a little bit, and it will be good to go. So I'm going to select this one. It talks about teachers and students and things like that. So I'm just to make this example in this template. So you wait for them to set things up for you, and it's loading. Then you will be asked about your site's title, so you can just give it a title, like you can just type in your niche basically. So I'm just going to type my niche, which is online language learning and courses, and click on continue. Then close this tab, we don't need it anymore. And here you have a variety of sections, and I'm going to explain each one of them. So I'm going to start with website. It's where you can add your pages or change the ones that you already have. You can delete a page from this button. Just click on delete. If you don't like that page like this, click on delete and confirm, and it will be deleted. As you can see, it's no longer in the website. So let's go back. Here we have the commerce section, where you can add products or manage inventory and orders. As you can see, you can manage your orders from here. You can manage inventory and you can manage customers. You can add products and you can choose the ways that you want to get paid with. You can also change the ways that you want to sell. You can, if you want to sell memberships or you want to sell custom merch. So let's go back and let's move on to the next section, which is marketing. And from the name, it's pretty obvious that it's everything that is related with growing your audience. So here you can set your email campaigns, you can set your SEO appearance, your promotional pop-up, and your announcement bar. You can also set your pixels, your ads. So let's go back to the scheduling, and in the scheduling you can set your availability time and you can set your calendar. So just wait for them to set things up for you. So this section is a little bit laggy, so it takes some time to load up. I don't know why. It's only this section that does that, and it sometimes lags. So when you close this one, it will vanish and it will come back again. So as I said, here it is vanished and it will come back again in seconds, as you can see. So here you can create appointment types, you can set your availability, design your scheduling page, and you can also share your scheduling page. So let's go back to home, and here let's move on to the next section, which is the asset library, where you can upload your files and save them in this place until you will need them in designing your website. And we have also the analytics section, where you can see your conversion rate, your orders, your revenue, your sales, traffic, and so on. And the next niche is the profiles one, where you can see the profiles of your clients. And the other section, sorry, is the settings, where you can adjust a lot of things, starting from domains to the site's availability, from private to public, to the site's languages, and the payment processors, if you want to set your Stripe account, your PayPal account, and your Square account if you are from the United States. You can also change your store's currency from this button right here. So let's go back and let's proceed to the next step, which is the editing phase. So I'm going to show you around the editing phase. Click on edit and you will see this page expands to give you more control and more space to focus on designing your template. So basically we can change everything in this template, from sections to blocks to the header, also the footer right down in the bottom. We can edit the footer also. To text, we can change this text. We can even remove the section that we already have. We can duplicate the section, we can move it down, and in the styles we can change the styles of the buttons if you want them to be sharp like this, or if you want them to be rounded. We can also change the fonts, change the colors, animations, spacing. So we can pretty much play with all these adjustments until we find the one that suits our requirements. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to make things easier for you and to explain how this platform works. So I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.